Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're going to focus on utilizing your Book Me page. Before your clients can start filling up your calendar with appointments, you need to set up the type of appointment. We're already inside of our calendar, so let's click on Appointment Types. Every appointment type you create will be displayed here, but let's take it from square one. Click on Add Appointment Type. Depending on your business, you could end up having a handful of different appointment types. For me, I love getting to know people, so we're going to set up my meet and greets. From here, fill in a public description and have some fun with a success message. Now, as you get down to the button text left blank, it will say book now, but feel free to be creative. Since I'm the one who loves meeting new people, I'm going to assign these types of appointments to myself. But I can be quite forgetful, so I'm going to select Marcy to be notified of these appointments as well, just in case I need a friendly reminder down the road. As you can see, we have our brand new meet and greet appointment type created, but it's sitting on the sidelines inactive. Now the reason being is we haven't set our availability yet. By default, SuiteDash has you set up with the old 9 to 5 window. But if you're like me, lunchtime is a whole experience. So let's be sure to block that off. I'll let you figure out how each day of the week should look like for you and your business. For a meet and greet appointment, 45 minutes should be enough time to get to know someone. And hey, I'd love to meet with 50 people in a day, but I have to live realistically. I need at least 15 minutes to gather my thoughts before sitting down with someone new. So don't forget to add some padding in between appointments. Now let's have these meetings start on every hour of my available window. Now wait, are you confused? Anything not making sense? Hey, at any point, scroll up to the top right and select Preview. Here you can make sure you're using the sliders correctly. I've never been a huge fan of stepping into a meeting without a solid game plan, so I'm always careful to give myself some space or prep time ahead of a meeting. Let's say you need to gather some documents from a client before you can move forward, or you need to put in some hours of research before being able to speak intelligently with your client. Whatever your situation may be, don't be afraid to give yourself some time to prepare. Finally, how far out do you want your calendar to be booked? Make your choice, and let's move on. Your final step here is to make your new appointment type active. Now that you've given your new appointment type the green light, we need to give it a place to live so your clients can book with ease. Head over to the left side menu and click on Forms. To allow our clients to book time with us, we'll need an appointment block set up in a Kickoff Form. Once inside the Kickoff Form, we can give it a title and head on down to Advanced Blocks to grab our Appointment block. It's a simple drag and drop situation, so I'm going to bring the appointment block up to the top, so that's the first thing our customer is going to see. Now, if I want to take a step further, what I'm doing is adding an HTML content block. I think I want to drop a logo in here, so I'm going to have that be the first thing. And I'll click on Image and bring in my logo. There we go. That's looking great. Now, if I'm just getting to know someone, I'm going to bring this person in as a prospect. I'll make myself the coordinator. And for this, I'll even drop them into my All Prospects circle. Now for the most important part, the reason we're all here, let's select the appointment type that we just created together. If you want to add this new prospect to a certain email marketing audience, you can do that here. If you think they need instant access to the portal, toggle that switch on. Make any other decisions you need to, and finish up by saving the form. I'm obsessed with how things look. That's why I love how much customization SuiteDash gives me. Before I send this live to my future clients, I want to make sure it's going to fit in nicely on my website or wherever I intend to place the form. I have a great preview of my form on the right side that updates in real time as I make changes. In order to make this thing look super pro, I'm going to change the button color to match my company's color palette. After that, I'll have some fun with the button text field. And don't forget, you have plenty of options to choose from to really make this thing your own, including the ability to make a more friendly and less robotic looking URL. Now I'm ready to take this bad boy out on the road, so I'm going to scroll down and click Save. After doing so, I can either grab the link from the alias URL we created, the embed code, or the direct link. Well, there we go. That's looking great. At this point, it's just up to the client when they want to get together. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day.